Some vaccine distribution hiccups in Montgomery County today. An isolated scheduling issue left people with appointments to get their second dose without answers. News 2's Brooke Reese spoke with a woman who says she received an email letting her know her appointment is postponed.
Today was going to be an exciting day for Kim Perry and her husband James. They'd get their second Pfizer vaccine just in time for vacation in May.
So we did it for this afternoon at 3 o'clock. And we got our confirmations. I printed them both out, had them ready to go.
But just hours before their appointment, Perry received this email stating that her slot was canceled and was given a new confirmation for next week.
Just out of the blue. And I had no idea what was going on or why.
A spokesperson for the State Department of Health told News 2 tonight that this was an isolated scheduling error, and individuals were given appointment times outside of the normal hours of operation.
But in the meantime, we had taken off, work for the afternoon for a couple of hours. We had just kind of planned our schedule.
Perry was concerned that if pushing her appointment back would make her second dose less effective.
It's not just the inconvenience. I feel like it's a health issue. Like, this is actually affecting people's health if you can't get the second one.
But doctors say there's a 6-week window in between each dose where the efficacy will not be affected.
But it's just frustrating because we're trying to do what we keep hearing we're supposed to be doing. And then these things are happening when we've arranged schedules and we're trying to do the right thing.
The Tennessee Department of Health says the Montgomery County Health Department is also offering early and late appointments now to correct the mistake and help accommodate people's schedules. Perry said she kept her appointment to get her second dose next Monday instead. Brooke Reese, News 2.
And doctors say it is important to get that second dose because it's only effective for about 80% compared with 95% effectiveness if you get the second dose.